How to redeem gift card on DoorDash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem gift card on DoorDash. So if you have a gift card, all you want to do is open the DoorDash app on your device. If you don't have this application, open up Play Store or App Store. Then you want to tap on the search bar and search for DoorDash. Now you want to have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. You're going to find different options here. Look for the one that says gift cards and tap on that. Now you're going to find all of your existing gift cards over here. You can also purchase a physical or e-gift card from here as well. So if you want to purchase a new gift card, you can simply search for that. If you already have a gift card and only want to redeem, go ahead and tap on the redeem option at the top right corner of your screen. Now you want to copy and paste or type in your PIN over here on this box. Once you have entered the gift card PIN, tap on the Redeem to your account option. If the gift card code you have entered is valid, it is going to be redeemed in your account. Remember that by selecting Redeem to your account, you agree to the gift card terms and conditions. And in this way, you can easily redeem gift card on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.